Three.
Hi, Mayang. Happy birthday. Alam mo, kung meron kaming isang dapat ipagpasalamat sa kay Lord, yung ibinigay ka sa amin ni Lord as our friend. Talagang ikaw yung naging tunay at totoong friend namin. So, stay as you are. At alam namin na i-bless ka pa ng marami ni God. Happy birthday!
Hi, Lola Mayang! Happy Golden Girl birthday and happy 25th anniversary as Ixustas. Grabe! Dapat may monumento ka na dyan. Anyway, happy birthday and many more blessings to come and especially many more apos. Now, here's a part of an old Irish blessing for you. And until we meet again, lapit na siya. Until we meet again, may God hold you in the palm of His hand.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!